The number mixed with units, the sum function won't work. Let's quickly separate them with Excel flash fill magic. It's super easy. First in the next column, type the number from the first cell, go to the next cell and press Ctrl plus E. Watch Excel and instantly pull out all the numbers to add back the unit kg. Select all the numbers, right click, choose the format cell and under custom, type the double question marks kg, click OK, and there you go, numbers with units. Now press Alt plus is equal to, apply the sum function, finally press enter, done. Plus F saves so much time. Like, share and subscribe for more game changing Excel tips. See you soon.